In this video, let us see worksheet number 10.em.03.03 under level 1. Level 1, unit polynomial, topic division of polynomials. Now let us see assignments. Third one, 2x square plus 10x plus 8. 2x square plus 10x plus 8. Here we have a common factor for these three terms. 2x square 10x plus 8. 2 is a common factor for these terms. So we can take out the common factor initially itself, or we can proceed and later at some time we can take out 2 as a common factor from a linear polynomial. So first let us take this 2 as a common factor. So this can be written as 2 into x square plus 5x plus 4. Now we obtained x square plus 5x plus 4. Now we have to factorize this portion only, x square plus 5x plus 4. We have to find two factors of 4 whose sum is 5. We have to find two factors of 4, say m and n. M and n, m into n is equal to 4. Their sum should be equal to 5. So m plus n should be equal to 5. Now what are the factors of 4? 4 can be written as product of two factors, 1 and 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So we have these two possibilities. Here we have positive 5. So these can be positive only. 1 plus 4. When we take the sum, 1 plus 4 is 5. Here 2 plus 2 is 4. M and n is equal to 1 and 4. Here 1 and 4 is the right choice. 1 and 4 is the right choice of the pair of factors. This is equal to 2 into x square. We can split 5x as x plus 4x plus 4. 2 as it is. We have x as a common factor for these two terms. So x into, when x is taken as a common factor, we remain with x here and plus 1 here. So x into x plus 1. From these two terms, 4 is the common factor, highest common factor. So 4 into x plus 1. This becomes 2 into, from these two units, this and this, x plus 1 is a common factor. So x plus 1, when x plus 1 is taken common, we get x here and 4 here. This is 2 into x plus 1 and x plus 4. 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 4. This is the factorization. Here we have taken 2 as a common factor initially. Let us do this problem in another way. Without taking 2 as a common factor, we have 2x square plus 10x plus 8. Here a is not equal to 1, a is equal to 2. So we have to take 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Now we have to find the factors of the pair of factors of 16 whose product is 16 and whose sum is 10. We have to take a pair of factors whose product is 16 and whose sum is 10. Now what are the factors of 16? 16 is equal to 1 into 16. 16 is divisible by 2. So 2 into 8. It is divisible by 4. When divided by 4, we get 4 here. 4 into 4. Then 8 is covered here. 16 is covered here. These are the three possibilities. As here we have positive 10x, we can take both positive. Now let us find the sum of the factors. Here 1 plus 16 is 17. So this is not the right choice. 2 plus 8 is 10. We want 10 here. So this is the right choice. Let us check the other one. 4 plus 4. This is 8. So this is also not the right one. 2 and 8 are the correct factors satisfying these two conditions. So we can write this as 2x square. This 10x can be split into 2x plus 8x plus 8. Now we group these two terms and these two terms. From these two terms, 2 is a common factor and x is a common factor. So totally the HCF is 2x. The highest common factor is 2x. When we take 2x as a common factor, we remain with x here and 1 here. 2x into x plus 1 plus here we have 8 as the highest common factor. When 8 is taken as a common factor, we remain with x here and 1 here. This is 8 into x plus 1. From these two units, we can observe that x plus 1 is a common factor. This can be written as x plus 1 into, here we have 2x, so 2x, and here we have 8. X plus 1 into 2x plus 8. In 2x plus 8, for terms 2x and 8, we have a common factor 2. So here by taking 2 as a common factor, we can rewrite it as x plus 1 into 2 into x plus 4. This can be written as 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 4. So in this way also we can factorize this one. We can take 2 as common factor initially itself, or we can take somewhere in between. Fourth one, x square plus 14x plus 45. Now we have to find two factors whose product is 45 and whose sum is 14. We have to find pair of factors of 45 whose sum is 14. If the pair of factors are m and n, then mn is equal to 45, m plus n is equal to 14. First, let us find the factors of 45. What are the possible pair of factors of 45? 45 can be written as 1 into 45. It is not divisible by 2. So let us go to another number, next number, 3. It is divisible by 3. So 3 into 15. Then 4, it is not divisible by 4. Then 5, it is divisible by 5. When divided by 5, we get 9. 5 into 9 is 45. Then 6, it is not divisible by 6. 7, it is not divisible by 7. Then 8, it is also not divisible by 8. Then 9. Already we covered 9 here. So when we are taking first factor in order, and when we are getting 9 here, we can stop it here. We are sure that all the possible pairs are written here. Now we have to find the sum. 1 plus 45 is equal to 46. 3 plus 15 is equal to 18. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Here we want the sum as 14. Sum of the factors of 45 should be 14 here. So 5 and 9 are the right choice. Now this can be written as x square as it is. 14x can be split as 5x plus 9x plus 45. Now we group these four terms into two groups. X square plus 5x is one group, 9x plus 45 is another group. From x square plus 5x, we can take x as a common factor. Taking x as a common factor and rewriting, we will remain with x here and 5 here. So this becomes x into x plus 5. In these two terms, 9x and 45, 9 is a common factor. Taking 9 as a common factor, we remain with x here and 5 here. We obtained x into x plus 5 plus 9 into x plus 5. In these two units, x plus 5 is a common factor. Taking it as a common factor and rewriting, we'll get x plus 5 into, we remain with x here and 9 here. So x plus 9. This is the factorization for the given quadratic polynomial x square plus 14x plus 45. Fifth one, p square plus 14p plus 48. Now we have to find pair of factors of 48 whose sum is 14. Pair of factors of 48 whose sum is 14. Now let us write the factors of 48. 1 into 48, it is divisible by 2. By dividing 2 we get 24. So 2 into 24. 45 is divisible by 3 also. So 3 into, when we divide it by 3, we get 1, then 6, 16. 3 into 16 is 48. 48 is also divisible by 4, because when we divide by 2, we are getting 24. 24 is divisible by 2. So 48 is also divisible by 4. 4 into 12. Then it is not divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6. So 6 into 8. Then it is not divisible by 7. Then it is divisible by 8. 8 is covered here. So we have written all the possible pairs of factors whose product is 48. As we have positive number here, positive coefficient here, 14, we can consider only positive factors. Let us find the sum. 1 plus 48 is 49. 2 plus 24 is 26. 3 plus 16 is 19. 4 plus 12 is 16. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 6 and 8 are the right choice of pair of factors. Now we can write this one as p square plus 14p can be split into 6p plus 8p plus 48 as it is. From p square plus 6p, we have p as a common factor. Taking p as a common factor and rewriting, we get p into p plus 6 plus here in 8p plus 48, we have 8 as HCF. So taking 8 as common factor, we remain with p plus 6. 48 is 8 into 6, so we get 6 here. In these two units, p plus 6 is a common factor. So this can be written as p plus 6 into, we remain with p here and 8 here. So p plus 8. We obtained p plus 6 into p plus 8. Y square minus 15y plus 56. So we have to find factors of 56 whose sum is minus 15. If m and n are factors of 56 whose sum is minus 15, then m into n is equal to 56, m plus n is equal to minus 15. We have to find the factors of 56. 56 can be written as 1 into 56. It is divisible by 2. So 2 into 28. It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4. So 4 into 14. It is not divisible by 5. It is divisible by 7. 7 into 8. After 7 we get 8. So here all the possible positive pairs of factors are covered. Here we are given with minus sign, minus 15. The sum is minus 15. So we can take both negative here. Minus 1 into minus 56, minus 2 into minus 28, minus 4 into minus 14, minus 7 into minus 8. These are the actual choices considering the signs. Now let us take the sums. Minus 1 plus minus 56 is minus 57. Minus 2 plus minus 28 is minus 30. This is also not the right pair. Minus 4 plus minus 14, it is minus 18. Minus 7 plus minus 8, it is minus 15. Here we are getting the sum as minus 15. So minus 7 and minus 8. This is the right pair of choice. So we can write this as y square minus 7y minus 8y plus 56. Here we have written minus 15y as minus 7y minus 8y. In these two terms, y square minus 7y, we have y as common factor. We can take y as a common factor. So y into y minus 7. In these two terms, minus 8y plus 56, we can take 8 as a common factor. We have to remain with 7 here. Here we obtained minus 7. So here also we should get minus 7. So let us take minus 8 as a common factor. When we take minus 8 as a common factor, here we have to get y also. So we take minus 8 as a common factor. So we obtain minus 8 into y minus 7. Now from these two groups, these two units, we have y minus 7 as common factor. So y minus 7 into, we remain with y minus 8. So y square minus 15y plus 56 can be written as y minus 7 into y minus 8. U square plus 11x minus 26. Here we have two variables. This may be x square plus 11x minus 26. Now we have to find the factors of minus 26 whose sum is 11. So m into n is equal to minus 26. M plus n should be equal to 11. Here we have a negative number minus 26. We have to find the factors of minus 26. One factor should be negative and another factor should be positive. The difference of the absolute values should be equal to 11. So let us find factors of 26, or we can say factors of minus 26. 1 into 26, 2 into 13, it is not divisible by 4 or any other prime factor, any other prime number. So these are the only two possible factors, possible pair of factors. When we consider minus 26, we can have minus 1 into 26, 1 into minus 26, minus 2 into 13, 2 into minus 13. We have to take sum. Here also we can find, when we take the difference, is 2 and 13. The difference of these two factors is 11. So this is the right choice. As we have plus sign here, 13 should have plus sign and 2 should have minus sign. So 2 plus minus 13 is minus 11. So this is not the right choice. Minus 2 plus 13 is equal to 11. So minus 2 and plus 13. This pair of factors is the right choice. So this can be written as x square. Here 11x can be written as 13x minus 2x minus 26 as it is. Taking common factor of these two terms, x into x plus 13. Now we have to obtain x plus 13 here. So we'll take minus 2 as a common factor. Taking minus 2 as a common factor and rewriting, we get minus 2 into x plus 13. Here we have x plus 13 as a common factor. Taking it out as a common factor, we get x plus 13 into, we remain with x here and minus 2 here, x minus 2. So we have factorized this one, x square plus 11x minus 26 as x plus 13 into x minus 2. P square minus 9p minus 36. So we have to find factors of minus 36, a pair of factors of minus 36 whose sum is minus 9. M into n should be equal to minus 13 minus 36. M plus n should be equal to minus 9. So let us write factors of 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12. This is also divisible by 4. So 4 into 9. This is 36 is not divisible by 5. 36 is divisible by 6. So 6 into 6. So all the possible factors are covered here for 36. But we want factors for minus 36. Out of this pair of factors, one can be taken as negative. One factor can be taken as negative. The sum we want as minus 9. So here we have to choose the factors such that the difference of factors is 9. So 3 and 12. When we take minus sign, minus 3 plus 12 or 3 minus 12. We want minus 9. So the higher absolute value factor should have minus sign. 3 minus 12. 3 and minus 12. This pair is the right choice. So this can be written as p square as it is plus 3p minus 12p minus 36. Now we can write it as p into p plus 3. Here we have p into p plus 3. Here also we should get p plus 3 as a common factor. So we take minus 12 as common factor from minus 12p and minus 36. Taking minus 12 as common factor, we remain with p plus 3. Now taking p plus 3 as common factor and rewriting, we get p plus 3 into p minus 12. Z square plus 6z plus 12. Here we have to find pair of factors of 12 whose sum is 6. M into n should be 12. M plus n should be 6. Let us write the factors of 12. 12 can be written as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. These are the possible pair of factors. When we take the sum, 1 plus 12 is 13, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7. We are unable to get 6. Now let us try algebraically. Mn is equal to 12, m plus n is equal to 6. Now we have to find m minus n first to find m and n separately. M minus n whole square is equal to m plus n whole square minus 4mn. This is equal to m plus n is 6. So 36 minus 4 into 12. This is 36 minus 48. So this is minus 12. So m minus n can be written as plus or minus square root of minus 12. M minus n can be taken either plus or minus of square root of minus 12. So this is not real. So this has no linear polynomial factors involving real numbers. See you in next video.